The Product Supplier Audit Report shows changes made to supplier product card fields in Stock Manager for all suppliers. It includes changes from local and external sources, allowing you to review and establish the source of these changes. Changes to supplier attributes such as supplier PDE, retail units, shelf pack, minimum order quantities, minimum and maximum shelf holds, order multiples, and recommended retail prices are included in the report. From the Stock Manager module, navigate to the Reports menu, to Product Reports, and select number 7, Supplier Product Audit Report. In the Supplier Product Audit Report window, enter the date range to be reported on. The From Supplier and To Supplier fields include all suppliers by default. If required, enter the specific supplier or supplier range to be reported on. In this demonstration, I only wish to report on the Symbian supplier. The From Product and To Product range defaults to include all products. If required, enter the specific product or product range to be reported on. Click OK to run the report. The Supplier Product Audit Report lists the date, time, ID, and source of the change, as well as the MMPN, product number, description, stock on hand, and change type. The previous details before the change and the changed details are also displayed. The source column indicates the reason for the change. This can include an automated change, such as a dispense update or product update, or a manual change that has been made in your pharmacy. For a full list of the changes that may be reported, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.